I need a second to take a breath, to keep me guessing with what you said. You're in my head. We're under pressure, we're sinking deep like stormy weather. Can't seem to breathe when you're with me. If you're gonna break me, I know I won't stay. I don't wanna wait here, you push me away. If you're gonna choose, you don't know what to do. I don't wanna lose you, but don't wanna lose me too.
Hi guys, so today is on Saturday, and if you're not following me on my IG, you probably will see this in my YouTube video, and probably not all of it, but I always do like weekend recaps basically on Saturday, because Saturday happens to be a whole lot of running errands. So follow my IG page, I'll leave it down here. The name is Maganga. Yeah, that's it. And today I want to run few errands. First, I've just from dropping the home decor, cushion covers, throw blankets, mats and pillows at Pickup Mtaani. So I basically use Pickup Mtaani because it is affordable, fast, and I'm able to track the package, and it is very well distributed. So if you happen to buy anything from me, just know I'll use Pickup Mtaani, either to run errand or to drop your orders anywhere countrywide. Yes, that is one. Already did that. So next, I think we want to head to GM. I'm not so sure about heading to GM because we have two most important errands to run today. One being we have to go to Oka Decor and buy a tent, and we have to go to China Center and buy carpet grass. People are wondering why I'm talking to myself. Hey, I'm telling you, this vlogging can make people think you're crazy. And yeah, those are the two most important things. So in GM, we are going to actually just window shop for seats and outdoor seats, to be precise. So we want to see how much outdoor seats can cost, because we are doing an outdoor area for relaxing, you know, because there's like a compound that I feel that something can be done to it. Yes, so come with us and I'll show you guys probably what we get. If not, I'll show you exactly what you can find. And what else? You know, shooting Oka Deco is kind of hard, but I'll show you the variety of tents that are there. But there's one that we'll go with, and they say you pay for delivery and they'll send their guys to come fix. I hope that has not changed since our last conversations with Oka Deco in Two Rivers. For grass carpet, I took measurements. I went and checked how much it will cost. So right now it's just going and picking, because already we did our math of measurements and how much it will cost. So that's it. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Hi Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Barbara and here we do a lot of lifestyle, beautiful, inspiring content. If you like more of these videos, kindly please don't forget to subscribe. And speaking of subscribers, karibuni sana for all the new subscribers. Karibuni, this is a lifestyle inspiring content. We do a whole lot of hauls and plugs. And of late we've been doing a whole lot of home haul because I'm planning to renovate, or rather I'm planning to upgrade my space in my home. And speaking of my space, I have a whole lot of unboxing to do with you. For the old buddies, for the OGs, thank you so much for always coming back. And for those people who share my videos and don't tag me, yo, why but thank you so much, I really do appreciate it. Asanteni tena sana sana. I feel like my specs are so close to my eyes. Yes, yeah, so I want to unbox with you. The last time I left you guys, I was in a car. I said I was going to GM, apparently didn't make it. I was going to look for outdoor furniture. I'm not so sure about the outdoor furniture, but I'll see what I can do. Secondly, I was looking to go to China. I did go to China and I have a few things that I'd like to unbox with you. And also I have some few things, other few things that I still want to plug you guys. So let's get straight into this video. So let's start with the kitchen. It's an item, but it's quite a number of items. So I have this curtain and I don't know why it's showing gray and this is black and white. So I got this material in the market Gikomba, and I want to make a nice kitchen curtain with it, and it's quite huge and it's quite big. It's too big. I want to, if I go to Isili over the weekend, because that is my plan, I'm thinking between Friday and Saturday, if I go to Isili, I'm going to make this a kitchen towel. I just want them to put rods for me in this one, and I'll get a white sheer and then I'll be good to go. So that is one for the kitchen. Another thing I got was glass organizers, storage, I don't know what you're going to call them. I got these. Let me just remove them in a bit. So I got these glass jars, the 4-piece ones. These ones. So I got fridge food organizers, and I got this type, the wooden type, and this is airtight. So that is how it looks like. It has the airtight ribbon going all around, and this is the large one. That is how it looks like. So that is one. I got a set of 4, the whole set of 4. This is another one. This is another one. And this is the tiny one. So that is how they look like. A whole set. And so that is one set. I got 2 sets. This is the other box, and I love, 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 love. So That's another set. Same thing. And these things are okay. Quality is good. You can find this in Kamukunji. Alphabets is your plug. You can go and check them out and get the organizers. You can get one or you can get a whole set. Depends on what you prefer. Well, for me, I got just those. So now let's go to China. USB port for charging the phone that uses the business phone. And then I got these wooden spoons for the kitchen to put in the big jars that I always put spices in. So I got those. They're 6. These ones, I think they were about 200. These wooden spoons. So I got these ones. Another thing from China Square is I got house slippers. Just a pair of house slippers. They are good, very good. And those are just plastic. I got a mouse pad, and this mouse pad, what I loved most about it is it has the armrest. This part, at least it rests very well when you're doing. It is very, very nice. So this is just something that you rip off so that it stays in place. And I got myself a clock. I'm telling you, this clock is huge. It is so huge. So let me move back kidogo. This is how the clock looks like. It's a nice huge clock. As in, you see my hand reaches until the end. Such a huge clock. The clock was 5,500. I hope I'm audible enough. 5,500. That is how much the clock costs. And it uses a battery. And yeah, that's the other thing that I got. So let me just going to put it there. The other things are quite huge things. I'm very sorry. I'm very, very, very sorry if that part of the video I was not audible enough. But if I was, I'm glad I was. The other things are quite huge things, and these things go to my laundry area. I know it has taken me quite a while to do the laundry room, but finally it's getting done. As in, it's getting done. This time we are doing it and moving to another room. I really do procrastinate a lot when it comes to buy things. One moment I'm in my living room, the other moment I'm in my, I think I just need to do things bit by bit. But I think it's because I want to do the larger things that cost a lot of money now. And then the small things, we can do them as they come, because I believe I can manage to do the small things in the shortest period compared to the larger things. I hope you get what I mean. Yes. So I got 2 things in the laundry room. One, guess who has not been having a dustbin for the longest time? Me, I have been using a bucket. I'll show you that in a bit without what I have been using, and it was getting the job done. Thing is, it was getting the job done, and I got a dustbin. It's big, it's huge. This is the 50-liter dustbin, the one with a pedal but not the wheels. Couldn't find the one with the wheels because the one with the wheels was costing 10k at Oka, but this one, China, I got it for 4k, so 4,000 for it. It's huge. It's from Ken Poly. It's 50 liters. And the last thing, and I'm so excited about it, the last thing that I got was the grass carpet for the laundry room. You guys are not even ready for that place. It's going to look as I pictured it. So these are, just a minute, so these are 4 meters of grass carpet. I'll just show you the So I got this type of carpet. This type of carpet, 4 meters, was going for a square meter was going for 2,260. So I got 4. No, I got 2 meters. Yes, 2 meters, because I want it to hit a certain level. For now, I want it to hit a certain level, and then maybe we can proceed to finishing up the other part. But okay, I am so glad I got this thing. I was really skeptical about doing the laundry room, but when I got hold of this carpet and the few organizers that I'm yet to get, I probably will include that in my next video. Now I'm ready for the laundry room makeover. So we got the stuff, and soon enough we are going to do we are going to organize, clean, and make the area look presentable. And for that, we are going to have a nice, cute, organized laundry room, and it's going to motivate people in this house to do more of laundry. Yes. So yeah, I guess that will be it for this video. I don't think I have anything else that I need to show you. I'm not planning to fix the wall clock now because I need some few hooks to be put up before we do put the wall clock up. So yeah, I guess that will be it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in my next one, which will be still a China haul, and we are going to get the grass carpet for this area outside my compound outside, and then we are going to get the tent from Oka, and then probably that video will be fixing bits of the living room, not living room, the outdoor area. Yeah, I just want to create a nice cute little outdoor area for this place. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.